Oh crap. Oh shoot. That's crazy. he's trying to push it back in place. Oh crap.
Can I have your attention, please, to the information passengers helping on board flight 432 with service to Montreal Toronto City Airport. There has been a change for this flight and we're going to departure 15. Once again, for the information of passengers helping on board flight 432, there's been a change.